Exhibition is like you're going into a museum, but it's like a really, really cool museum of all the current events.
The level of creativity in everyone's demonstration was incredible.
They're really fun to come to. I look forward to them because the energy level is so high. You see kids taking ownership of different concepts and different things they've done.
Exhibition is, in my mind, a bit of a celebration of self-directed, autonomous learning.
There's anything from more traditional poster boards with a lot of information to physical objects that have been built by the students. So it's just really incredible to see, because in most schools you don't get to do those kind of things, or if you do, it's maybe once in your 4 years of high school or your 3 years of middle school. But here it's a constant process of creating products and actually applying your learning.